the fire truck gamer. Fire truck time! Hey there, fire truck lovers. I'm William Fryman, and I'm the fire truck gamer, and welcome to Fire Truck Time, the show we all sit back and watch the fire trucks roll. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ladder trucks of all time. In fact, in my favorite ladder truck of all time. Let's take a look at the Frostburg Fire Department Truck 16.
Emergency dispatch. This is Fire Unit 12, proceeding on Lake Avenue South, ETA 2 minutes. Here comes a great big fire truck. If you love fire trucks, call
There you are.
1-888-300-3455
The Frostburg Fire Department ladder truck, truck 16. Thank you much for watching, and we'll see you next fire.